Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Magnifier for zooming in on your Ideapad C340 laptop. So to enable Magnifier the easy way, you just have to press the Windows key together with the plus button at the same time. This will enable Magnifier just like it did now. From these settings you can either reset zoom to fit the screen or enable so you can disable the zoom basically using these two buttons. You can start reading from the screen by pressing this button. You can also decide for the spot from when you want your computer to start reading by pressing this button and then selecting the area from which you want to you want the program to start reading, or you can go to settings, change your zoom, change the speed. I'm sorry, it's not zoom. The zoom is set right here. So let's get back to 200. Actually, let's disable it for a while so I can show it to you better. So right here you can increase or decrease the speed of moving of your magnifier and change the voice of the dictator. But you can also access this through the settings. To go to the settings, tap on the start menu, then select settings, and then let's go to the accessibility settings. Let's select magnifier, and right here we can also enable it like this, but we can also set some additional options like start magnifier before signing in or after signing in to our Windows. Then we can also change the zoom level in real time or before usage, and also the zoom increment if you like. Then view is a very important part. So whether you want to use your magnifier as a lens, you want it to be in a full screen, so it would look like this. It would magnify just in the entire screen. You can also decide to use the duct magnifier, which looks like this. So you just have to navigate through a computer and just have a closer look at the top. So let's, and you can also have your magnifier follow your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor or narrator cursor. Now down in settings for the duct option, you can do that also for the full screen option. And for the lens, you can simply change the lens size right here. So you can also invert your colors if you want smooth images of edges, smooth edges of images and text by clicking this option. And you can also set a reading shortcut if you like, but basically that's, I think, all for today. I think I showed the most important information that you might want to know about your magnifier. And so thank you for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.